Best email apps for iPhone and iPad. When the iPhone debuted in 2007, Apple included a built-in email app referred to as Mail. No third-party mail apps have been obtainable at first, however email on the iPhone has come a great distance since then. The app retailer is awash in various email functions, so now the problem is to seek out the most effective email app to your iPhone wants. Try this checklist to seek out the most effective email app to your iPhone. Spark Mail. What we like. Join many forms of email accounts. Help Starkish mode. Good notifications. Customizable actions. What we do not like. Some superior options require a subscription. No learn receipts. The designation Better of the app retailer by Apple tells lots concerning the Spark Mail app, which presents quite a few helpful options. If you first open Spark, you might be introduced with an inbox grouped robotically by class. You get one-tap replies, swiping actions, together with a choice to snooze email / and quick search outcomes, which it can save you as sensible folders. Calendar integration permits you to view your schedule and arrange occasions from emails. The customizable actions and push notifications for each email account are superior. Spark helps IMAP and is out there as a free obtain, whereas premium packages can be found for enterprise environments. These capabilities, together with email signature choices, make Spark price a strive. iOS Mail. What we like. Comes bundled in iOS and is up to date recurrently. Syncs robotically to calendar. Newbie friendly, however ample for many customers. Integrates with a number of email suppliers. What we do not like. Lacks customization and superior choices. Apple's free iOS Mail app is a dependable, strong email app for the iPhone. The Mail app presents easy options which can be good for many wants. You may type out VIP senders, which you outline, and file emails to folders. Compose your emails utilizing wealthy textual content and swipe to take motion quick. Most significantly, you get superbly rendered emails without litter and nearly no studying curve. Whereas iOS Mail lacks superior customization, it helps Trade, IMAP, and POP. Microsoft Outlook. What we like. Characteristic rich app. Sturdy group for help. Frequent updates. Acquainted interface. What we do not like. Search outcomes are too broad to be helpful. Not as user-friendly because the desktop Outlook requires a Microsoft 365 subscription. Whereas many email apps for iPhone really feel sluggish even with the fundamentals, Outlook for iOS progresses past them. Search with near instant outcomes and browse, ship, and file mail quick. The clever inbox permits you to see a very powerful emails first, and you may postpone emails with an easy swipe. This app comes with a calendar, which is straightforward and practical, however lacks process administration. As on the desktop model, you'll be able to prolong performance with add-ons. Outlook for iOS is the most effective email app for iPhone in an enterprise setting. It helps Trade and IMAP accounts, though POP is not supported, and works with Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and iCloud along with Microsoft Trade, Microsoft 365, and Outlook.com. It requires a Microsoft 365 subscription. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.